How to mark as unread on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn on how you can mark as unread on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to mark as unread on Instagram, all you have to do is you can just try to go ahead and then basically open the Instagram application here. And once you launch the Instagram app, you're going to be able to set this type of interface where, let's say that previously we had an option that whenever we long pressed on a message, we would be able to actually mark them as unread. But let's say that you're not being able to find this sort of option where it says mark as unread. For that, what you have to do is you just need to make sure that you have a professional account here. So if you have a personal account, it doesn't work, so you can try to tap the three lines option, go to settings here, and then just go to account, and from account you can go to switch to professional account, and then just try switching to professional account. Here you can just select any categories, any displays, whether it's a business or creator account, doesn't really matter. After you've done that, now whenever you just come to this little, let's say this DMs tab, from next time onwards you'll be able to notice now that we have the mark as unread option that you can find over here, which is not generally available on other places. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.